Audio Jungle.
All right, so sorry for all the delay. I'm gonna do a really quick update. It's Wednesday today. Tomorrow we leave, and then Friday is practice, tech, parade, block party. Saturday's race, Sunday's race. So any of you guys are planning on coming to Carolina Motorsports Park, yeah. Or if you're in close distances, come for the parade or whatever, or the block party. Hopefully the weather will be pretty decent. But yeah, let me give you a little tour of what we've got left. So right here, I just got done welding the battery box in, so it's part of the car. So this thing will not come out because it's literally welded to the chassis, which is what they want. Let me take a step back real quick and you can see the car. We got my rims on it. Excuse the color, please. We got Achillies was nice enough to donate some 123S's, which are a pretty great tire, and it's a 220 tread. Unfortunately, because they're a promotional tire, they don't have the wear rating on them, and even though you can look them up, Lemons won't let us run them. So last minute, we've got to buy $1,000 worth of tires, which really sucks, because Achilles was trying to do a nice thing and help us out, and they will not make any exceptions at all, even if the data is available. So I mean, I get it and I don't. It's kind of crazy, but it sucks that we found out last minute. I guess I should have asked earlier. I didn't know about it. Brakes are done. I can show a clip of that right here. What else? We've gotten quite a bit done. We have quite a bit left to go. As you can see, I had to take out the airbox and all of that right here so that I could weld this in. Engine's running, car's running. Got the car running about 2 days ago. Special thanks to, well, I'll put his YouTube channel right here. He's actually a really good driver, and he's been helping me. Follows me on Facebook, and he's been giving me a lot of advice. So found out one of the MAF sensor was bad, so we replaced that, and we're kind of good to go. What else have we done here? Cage is in. I think I don't know if I showed you guys that or not. I don't remember how long it's been. Seats in. I got to put the harness in today. And I got to get the gauge cluster mounted. I got to wire up the coolant temperature sensor. We've got to clean up some wiring and patch right there. Yeah, there's a lot of wires in this thing, that's for sure. Jerry was nice enough to, from Jerry Yang Racing, was nice enough to come give me a hand a couple times. Has really come through. He got up at 9 a.m. to help me weld an aluminum bung onto my coolant temp sensor since the metal was so thin. And maybe I'll show some clips of that and tap it. But as you can see, it's super thin. So I can't really put a temperature sensor in that. And I should have, I was hasty and I just drilled it right while I was on the block. And the positive water pressure would just push out any fillings. And it sure did, but this is not working out. So I had to take it off. And Jerry is graciously been nice enough to offer to actually weld a bung on real quick. So yeah, so I'm literally gonna pick him up. It's like 9 o'clock at night and he has formulated drift tomorrow, and he's taking me all the way to his shop, and he's gonna weld a bung on it so I can get this bad boy in.
Hey man, don't record this, man. This is not very good.
It's never very good with you. I gotta take what I can get.
This is not very good, man. It's not professional.
Dude, that's why it's raw. People like this,
man.
the drama.
Man. This is dirty, man.
It's like 10 o'clock at night.
Dirty.
I woke up Jerry out of his PJs. He's helping me out. He's got formula drift tomorrow. Hey, Jerry, nice job, man.
Oh shit, but let's go.
Yeah, it'll fucking work though. Appreciate it. And inside the shop, I also got to pull the fenders out a little bit because you can see that the wheels and tires are sticking out more. And what's even worse is that the tires that we just bought are 265, so they're even freaking wider. So I've got a baseball bat, and I'm gonna have to fix that. If you don't know what that means, don't worry about it. It's probably a better thing, because it's pretty hood. So what do we got left? Paint the car. I'm just spray painting number on it. I don't care at this point. We're so far behind. I'm so tired. Weld the battery in. Actually, I got that done, so I can put a line through that. We have the shut off, and it worked before, but I want to get it mounted properly. Harness straps I'm about to do right now. Fire suppression system Joe's coming over to do today. Temp gauge, I did the bung last night, so I just got to do the wiring. Stock gauge cluster I've got to put in there. Oh yeah, tow hooks. Patch what's left after we run all the wires. I got to weld the roof on. That should say rivet. And I got to put the window on as well and paint the roll bar. That's pretty much it. Oh, I got to pull the fenders, which is what the baseball bat's for, install the radio, cool box, and the shirt. So we have a lot to go, but you know, it's not unmanageable. I have the day off tomorrow. Shout out to my boss for being so flexible with me these last couple of days. And I got to break in this engine somehow. And yeah, so got a lot to do. I got the rest of today and tomorrow before we leave tomorrow night. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please do consider liking, follow, subscribing. I have multiple platforms. I know I have some people that follow me just only on Facebook because that's what they're used to. So I do have a Facebook account just for that. Or if you only like Instagram, I've got that as well. So whatever, to stay in touch. And if you have advice or any help or whatever, you know, feel free to holler just to talk. Thanks, guys.
Audio Jungle.